Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Nate back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to save any video from Instagram directly to your camera roll on any iPhone. It could be the iPhone 5, 6, 7, 8, don't matter. All right, so this one is just the same as downloading and saving videos from YouTube. So what you want to do is make sure you have this app installed. It's called My Media. So if you don't have that installed, go ahead, go to the App Store, download that, and then we could jump right into this tutorial. All right, so once you have My Media installed, you want to go ahead and open it up, and you want to tap on the Google search bar in the top right corner, and you want to type save from net, just like we did with the last video, just like that. And you want to hit the search or the Google button, and it's going to bring you to save from net. You want to tap on the first download link. You want to hit that one right at the top, and it's going to bring you to save from net. So next, you want to close this out, and you want to open up your Instagram app, and you pick the video that you want to download or save to your camera roll. So me, I'm just going to go and pick a video I already have on my page. So you want to hit the three dots in the top right corner of the video, and it's going to bring up this option. So you want to hit share, and next you want to hit copy link at the bottom, and it's going to copy the link to your clipboard. So after you get that link copy, you want to go back to the home screen, open up My Media again, and you're going to do the same thing you did with the YouTube tutorial. You're just going to tap on this box, double tap, and paste. So after this converts the video, you're now able to download it. So next you want to tap and hold on download MP4, and it's going to pop up. It's going to give you this pop up right here, and you want to hit download link. So you're going to go ahead and give it a name so that you remember where you can find it. I'm just going to name this one Funny, and then you hit save and let it download. So once it's done, you go ahead, hit back, and next you want to tap on media down at the bottom. It's next to browser, and your downloaded video, it should be all the way at the bottom. So right there, we're going to tap on it, and next you want to hit save the camera roll, and it's going to save the video to the camera roll. So you back out, go to your home screen, open up photos, and it's right there in the camera roll. Like I said, that simple. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, go ahead, share it, and be sure to check out some of my other videos. I'm gonna have more coming daily. I got ideas for the channel. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of that. And yeah, so thanks for watching. It's Nate, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thanks.